First, I'd like to say thank you to the TiE Rockies organization. You've been such a support over the last 2 years for Source Direction. We wouldn't be here without you, so thank you so much. And to the TiE50 for nominating us for this award. That's why we're here speaking today. So let me ask you a question. Who out there has hired somebody? Right? How was that experience for you?
Terrible.
Right? My name's Steve Bradley. I'm the founder and CEO of Source Direction. For the last 18 years, I've been running my own IT healthcare recruiting company. I've hired thousands of people and placed thousands of people. And it's the same process. You get hundreds of resumes for a job rec. You give them each 9 seconds. You miss people. You pick out 20 of them, and you give them each a whole bunch of time, 2 minutes, and you miss people. And you call 5 and you interview 3. And that fails 30 to 40% of the time. You're going to either have to fire them, move them, or they're going to quit because it's not the right match. It's a big waste of time for everybody. So at Source Direction, we came up with a way to help recruiters find qualified job seekers 75% faster. Let me tell you a little bit about the recruiting industry. See, now this isn't working, sorry. What's the second? There we go. Just had to come out from behind the podium, sorry. So in the recruiting industry, you've got companies like Amazon and Google who have internal recruiters to find candidates for their internal teams. They get overwhelmed sometimes, so they call, actually you got companies who have jobs, candidates who want jobs, and you've got recruiters in the middle, like me, like my old job. So those recruiters, you have those internal recruiters like Amazon and Google, and then they hire external recruiters like Robert Half and Point B. Those are going to be our Source Direction's first clients. So here's a problem that they face every week. They get a client that says, I need 5 IT developers in 2 weeks. How are they going to find those people fast? And then how are they going to make that candidate stand out? But here's the problem. In their database, they have thousands of candidates. If they search for that developer, they're going to get hundreds. And how do they screen those quickly? And then how do they compete amongst the hundreds of other recruiters that they have to present to that end client? How do they make that golden candidate stand out? What we at Source Direction did is we created a patent-pending skill matching, premium video so you can see their personality up front versus at the end. And then we had created a compare and share so the hiring manager can come in and see that golden candidate right away. So here's a screenshot of our software with the rank of 1 to 10 in years of experience for that skill matching. So if you're looking for a developer with 6 and 7 years experience, you're not going to waste your time vetting somebody with 2 and 3 years experience. And then we added professional video so you can give that candidate a voice and see their personality ahead of time. And then we added the comparison and the share so that hiring manager can come in and see that golden candidate for themselves. So our solution, we reduce recruiting time by 75% through our patent-pending skill matching. We give that candidate a voice through professional video. And then we do the compare and share to present that candidate in a brand new way. How do we stack up against our competitors? You've got social sites like LinkedIn and eHarmony, who just got in the business at the beginning of this year. You've got job boards like Indeed and Monster. And you've got new on-the-scene digital recording video like JobMA and Montage. But nobody brings it all together with the professional video, the skill matching, and the compare and share, like Source Direction. We're going to market with 4 packages, 3 software as a service and 1 white label, depending on the size of the recruiter. And then we have the premium video upgrades from self-recorded all the way to professionally directed. Market size is huge, $130 billion IT temp staffing industry. We're going after that $28 billion IT temp staffing. We're going to focus on that with software as a service and white label, and then we're going to replicate that to accounting and construction, other billion-dollar industries, and then we're going to expand into the companies and those candidate markets. We're going to do that with this amazing team, 25 plus years of experience. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I've owned my own IT consulting company for 18 years, so I know this business. Jim is an amazing technical lead. Sold his first company to FileNet for $20 million. and worked for IBM running their development shop. So we've got an industrial strength software that he's built, not just an MVP. We've got Jillian, who grew her last company 200% over year, 1 million, 2 million, 4 million. And Steph, who is the executive VP of marketing for IQ Navigator in our space. We have an amazingly strong advisory board behind us of C-level people, investor relations, patents, CIOs, CFOs, everybody here to support us. So we're going to take that team and we're going to generate $495,000 in year one this year. We're going to move that up to $11 million in year 3 and $80 million in year 4 through software as a service, white label, and premium videos. We've already raised $350,000 to date. We're looking for $500,000 in our seed round as a bridge into our Series A in Q1 of 2017. We're going to use that money for customer service because I really care about those people coming on board and really make sure they're on the software well. Operations and development. We're looking for a 6 to 12x acquisition in the next 3 to 4 years based on these industry standards and these recent exits. So in summary, it's an exponential opportunity. $28 billion, ability to expand into other billion-dollar industries. Timing is now. People are spending money to solve this problem right now. $561 million in investments last quarter. Extremely strong team and significant traction. We've got patent pending. We've got an industrial strength beta software. We've got beta clients on the software right now signing up, and we've got $84K in revenue. Thank you for your time. Any questions?